guys, today we will be making a tumbler for Barbie. Here's the doll we are going to work with. Okay, so she has her tennis shoe on, but not her tennis racket because she's not starting yet. Here's what you need. Wait, that's her. That's her. She's really pretty. Here's what you need. You need metallic beads. You need the breathing medicine tubes. You need scissors, hot glue. You need paper foam, crafting foam. You're going to cut out this rectangle. And you need a circle. You also need a long rectangle that looks like it has these stuff at the end. Okay, first you're going to take your rectangle, and then this is what you're going to do with it. You're going to hot glue. Make sure your parents do it on those big sides. You can do glitter foam or plain foam. I chose glitter foam. Make sure it's stable. Your parents have to do it for you. Do it quickly because you do not want it to dry really fast. Okay, that's what you're going to do it in it. Then you're going to glue it again, like that. You're going to glue it circle like in a cylinder, just like that. Like this. It's gonna be like a spear, but you can see the inside. Like that. Next, take it around like this and glue it on the opposite side. Just like this. You're gonna glue it like that. My mom is doing it for me. Next, your parents are going to glue just like on the other side for you. There we go. Now we've got it to look realistic so far. I'm going to do just like that. Okay, next you're going to hot glue for the circle. Like that. Put on circle quickly. Just like that. She touched the hot glue and now it's really hot on her fingers. Ooh, I bet that hurt. That's how you're going to carry the tumbler. It's gonna be like flavored water, maybe soda, maybe she put tea in it. Okay, here is our medicine tube. You're going to cut it to the size you want. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna measure. It looks like you're going to cut the bottom and then put it on the top piece. Put it to your side, the size you want. This could be also good to make some soda bottles. We're gonna do it just like this. So now it looks perfect. It looks really realistic. Okay, make sure it's stable. Next, we're going to take one of your metallic beads and glue it on. I'm going to use this purple one. Just glue it on. That's going to be the lid, or cap. Some people would call it cap. Okay, see it? It's already a bottle. Next, you're going to just put it in your tumbler. Just like this. Really, really realistic. Now, she can drink nice cool water or tea or flavored water whenever she has a break in tennis. She's going to drink. This is water or flavor. I think it should be flavored. She loves it. Her flavored water. It should be berry and grape flavor. This is very, very cute. Make sure that you test it on your Barbie so that if you mess up, you might have to do it again. This is really cute. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!